Have you ever been excited to create a beautiful data visualization, only to be frustrated by unexpected dark areas in your charts? If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a common issue with React-Vis and how to fix those pesky black areas. I totally get it. You follow the examples, and everything seems perfect until those dark spots appear, ruining your hard work. You're definitely not alone in this. Many developers face this issue when working with React-Vis. Let's take a closer look at the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, "Why do I see black areas between the lines in my React-Vis charts?" They were using the provided examples but couldn't figure out what they were missing. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing these dark areas? Often it comes down to how the data is being rendered or the configuration of the chart. We'll break it down step by step to help you understand what's going on. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you avoid these issues in the future and make your visualizations shine. To address the issue of black areas appearing between the lines in React-Vis, the user should first check the data being passed to the chart. It's important to ensure that the data is continuous and does not contain any gaps. Next, the user should verify the configuration of the line series in React-Vis. They need to ensure that the line series is set up correctly to handle the data without creating gaps. The user may also want to adjust the stroke width of the lines. A thicker stroke can help minimize the appearance of gaps between the lines. Finally, if the issue persists, the user should consider using the area series component. This can fill the area under the line, effectively eliminating any visible gaps. Fun fact, did you know that the first data visualizations were created in the 18th century? They didn't have fancy libraries like React-Vis, but they sure knew how to make data tell a story. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user is to import the CSS file for React-Vis. They suggest adding this line to your code: imports node modules /react-vis/dis/style.css. Additionally, they mention that you can use a style property to eliminate the dark areas. Specifically, they recommend using style equals fill, none, in your line chart. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative solution to the dark areas in your React-Vis example is to add specific CSS styles. This user suggests including a set of CSS rules that adjust the display properties and colors of various elements in the chart. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative solution from another user suggests using a CDN to resolve the dark areas in your React-Vis example. They recommend adding a specific link to the style sheet in your HTML. Here's that great tip I promised. Always validate your data and configurations before rendering. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to eliminate those dark areas in your React-Vis charts. Remember, a little attention to detail goes a long way. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our bonus content on enhancing your data visualizations.